Okay guys, today's goal is to hopefully get Kevin's truck running. We brought some stuff here. We're going to try to, maybe if it runs and everything okay, maybe we'll even try to just drive it down the lane. We'll see how the day goes. It's about 3 o'clock right now, I think. So, but I was even smart enough to make a makeshift list for Kevin's truck. So, drive shaft we got, I'm not sure exactly the length. We kind of measured it, so hopefully it's going to work. Kind of shit the bed. We don't have new U-joints, but I'm sure we got a bunch around here anyway. So this is our goal for today. I think before we do anything, number 8, that's very high on the list. So we'll probably go do that. I kind of shit the bed. I forgot to put deodorant on it, and I stink bad.
He's
so
bad.
Kevin even says I stink bad. Whew. But anyway. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, new tires. Yeah, Kevin shit the bed on that, but he's I think the rims are going in to get powder coated possibly next week. So he's actually working.
Someone's gonna do the work around here. Captain Kevin. You don't get the name Captain from doing nothing.
You're going bald.
Oh, whatever. It's from dealing, you freaking clowns.
Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we got a list. Kevin's just switching with the carburetor right now. I guess we'll jack this truck up and put the U-joint or see if it's gonna, or the drive shaft and see if it's gonna work. Donnie was nice enough to give us one. So yeah, and we'll get a bunch of things doing. We got fluids and everything else for the tranny and coolant. So yeah, should be an exciting video. Hopefully, if not, it is what it is. It's got to get done. Or wait, shit's got to get done. Chris is actually doing something.
I'm gonna do one other thing.
What are you gonna do, Chris?
You'll see. It might take me a minute.
Look through a dirty old box.
Yes, that's one thing I have to do.
We'll be back. I gotta check something out.
Okay guys, I just came back from the gas station, got some gasoline. We're gonna try starting the truck here. We've accomplished a bunch of stuff on the list here. We've got the drive shaft in. That, those, no tires, big gulps, yes. Pina colada today. Shifter, yeah, so pretty much all except for the tires yet. But yeah, so we got some gas. Chris installed these little bumpers here. So yeah, we're gonna fill up the fuel bowls here just to prime it. And see what's going to happen.
Who's filling the bowls?
That'd be you.
Oh, okay.
We know the crank's over because we tested that, but...
Oh, and also, this is what we lost in the garage the other day, the the collector there for the header, so it's found.
Yeah, it was in the box that we thought it was. We were just hiding.
Usually we have a better system than this. Kevin's got a neat little syringe. Well, at least we won't need to prime the carburetor, but at least the bowls will hopefully get filled.
And there is a petcock on the bottom of the original gas tank. We're not sure if it's open or closed at the moment. So we'll figure that out if it doesn't run.
Yeah.
Or pick up fuel.
Yeah, exactly. And yes, I know I should get in a syringe or a little funnel, but I'm actually getting most of it into the bowls. It's actually a pretty good pour right there. Okay, I don't think I need any gas in the carb there. Battery. All right, let's get this on. Also, hey Chris, before you do, check for when it's on the off chance, make sure to see when it cranks or whatever for oil pressure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Here we go.
Zero oil pressure?
60, 0.
Oh.
60.
Well, I would say 0. That worries me when you say 0.
6-0.
Okay, so we might have to play with the timing a little bit, but I think we'll put some fuel in the tank, and yeah, we'll fill up the bowls again.
And that is his first start.
Yeah, I know, actually amazing. I think we might, from what I heard, I think the starter might need a shim, so I got shims at my house, and we'll fire it again, and I'll bring a timing gun out, because it might be off just a skosh, but yeah. Exciting times. Kev should be happy. He's not even smiling.
Street rod.
Very flamboyant of you. Okay, let's go put some fuel in this thing, and we'll try to refill the bowls again, and then see if we can see if it runs under, you know, without keep fitting gas to it. All right.
Okay, so we got it running. We had to play with the timing a bit, just roughly. We don't have a timing light on it yet, and it was puking out gas out the back of the carburetor, so we just the rear floats were too high, so we adjusted that. Couple leaks we found. The bottom rat hose was leaking, tighten that up. Nothing major. So we're just gonna get ready to just pull it out and see if the transmission actually works. It's a brand new transmission. It better. Something's leaking back there. Probably taking a piss. We don't have the kick down linkage. We don't need that. So everything's hooked up. It runs. It's idling now. Just don't know if it moves a lot. So we're gonna try that right now. I'm gonna take the charging station off.
One time.
Roll down the little window.
Since we're victorious here, this is not worth $12 and it won't shut off. Sounds like the carburetor.
Okay. Clown.
Wait. There you go.
Sitting on a milk crate. We got about 45 pounds of oil pressure. The temperature gauge was staying about 170. Right now we don't have a fan.
Oh yeah.
Just 1 second.
Just watch out for the chain cord.
Yeah. You guys move that 6x6?
Is this back to the 50s?
Hey, tough man, or actually B&M man. Ooh, yeah. Tail lights or brake lights. Actually, sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Now you're smiling. Old downer Kevin are like, ah! take
Do you approve of this, Corey?
I approve of this. You don't see this. You look like idiots. Stuff man. Wait a minute. Oh, I think I'm out.
No, you got lots. Probably has to be rerouted there.
Oh,
Oh well. Let's get this back in.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, today was a victory. Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. If you haven't heard of it, I'm just rambling. You won't see much racing today, just mostly shakedown runs. Alrighty, we'll be back. Anyway, we got Kevin's truck back in the garage here. We're gonna make a list after this. There's just a bunch of stuff to do. Probably won't film a lot of it, but it's just tedious little stuff here and there just to dial things in. I'm pretty happy with the carburetor the way it is right now, but kind of shit the bed, and I forgot my timing gun, but we'll bring it out one night this week or next weekend or whatever and time it and get a little better. Yeah, and we'll get a proper fan. We did buy an electric fan, but it's too small, so we'll get a bigger one this week, hopefully. Anyway, hope you like this little video. I'm not sure how much we're going to edit it or whatnot, and that's Chris's problem. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. I guess I can take this thing off. Thank you, you. Bug's going to be watching this video, maybe. Who knows if he does. He's going to say, man, that was a waste of 12 bucks. I'll be like, Ryan, don't worry about it. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Major steps today. Moving in the right direction. Hey, when are we going to start doing the upholstery? Or like the seat? Don't sound too excited. Don't know. Anyway, have a good one, guys.
Yeah.
You need a shut-off valve.
Yeah.
A petcock.
You're screwed. Well, get out of the garage, Corey. You just wrecking
Gotta
it.
kink it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to kink it. It's just like
Keeping you out.
Okay, get this filmed here.
I am
Okay,
filming
start
it.
talking, Corey. Well, it's
And then blow on it.
it's like the carburetor.
Yeah, you blow back on it. There you go. You stopped it.
Oh,
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
okay, get on, go.
Well, no, you guys can talk and I'll just walk in.
Okay.
All right, come on.
You guys can talk about how we set shit up and. Like,
Yeah, shut up.